Welcome back to A Life Partner. I am your host, Dr. Mario Torres Leon, and we're coming to you from beautiful Durango, Colorado, here in the southwest of the United States. I am super excited about this particular video because this is the third video on this very special four-part video series, which talks about the central premise of the work that we do here in A Life Partner, where we serve men and women who have actually done a lot of different things, a lot of kind of work to be able to work on their relationships, on their health, and nothing really has worked for them. I am a classically trained physician, and I have dealt with some of these topics and taught people from all over the world here in A Life Partner. If you have not watched the first and second videos of this four-part video series, please click on the links here on the page so that you can actually have access to them. If I am new to you and you're new to the channel and this resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can continue to enjoy from this content and you may be the catalyst to change somebody else's life. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the third component in this journey inside of A Life Partner that has really transformed the lives of so many. And that is the aspect of healing. This is really, really important. A lot of the people that we have served in the community, men and women who've come from all over the world, they have come with different intentions. Some of them have had chronic illnesses, things that they have not been able to understand in their journey of health. Some of them have come because they were having very difficult challenges in their relationships, whether it was the man or the woman. And throughout the different programs and coaching and content that we put out, we've been able to support so many people from all over the world to transcend those limitations, those challenges, and have an amazing experience of life with themselves and with their partners or the people that they interact with at large. When we speak about healing, I need to make a distinction because, as you may imagine, being a classically trained physician, people tend to think of healing as there is an illness, whether you have a cold or maybe there is cancer, maybe there is an autoimmune illness. And we tend to think about this aspect of being in a disease state, lack of ease, where things are measurable. Maybe you're going through different treatments and labs are being done on you to be able to see if in fact you're getting better over time. But the fact of the matter is, the way that we use the concept of healing here in our community goes beyond just having a classically diagnosed illness. Sometimes we can actually have energetic challenges in our lives, problems in our relationships. The way that we communicate with others may not be creating the results that we want. And because of all of that, simply we are not living in a state of alignment where the energy that we're putting out to the world is creating the results that we desire. And when we talk about A Life Partner and those particular subsets of challenges people come with, I like to think of them as aspects of invoking healing. Sometimes people get very uncomfortable with that because they don't like to think of themselves as people that have an illness or have a problem. And we clearly do not treat anybody here like you're having a problem, there's something broken with you, but rather, what else is it that you would like to experience in your life that you may not be receiving in this moment, that you may not have the tools to be able to navigate through so you can get those results that you're looking for? But something inside of you is telling you that something is just not right. Something is not aligned. Something is not flowing for you. So another way to think about this healing process is to establish flow again in your life. So I want you to take a piece of paper right now. And all we're going to do is I'm going to ask you and invite you to write 3 things down, just 3, that you would like to change, things that may not be working for you in this moment, that perhaps you have worked with, you have been resourced by other people's work, books, things you've done, maybe you've gone to workshops, and still is not working for you. Write them down and bring awareness to that. And just be very succinct, very short. What is it? 3 things that I would like to change. If I could change them right now, very quickly, what would they be? This is what we do in A Life Partner. And if you have not watched the other videos that I created in this 4-part series, today is the 3rd video, please go back to them because you will do some little exercises that will support you in bringing this piece together. And on the 4th video of this series, which is coming up, you will be able to put everything together and we'll be able to talk about how can we actually create impact that is long-lasting, that you can feel and the world around you can actually see. Thank you for being here with me. I am Dr. Mario Torres Leon, founder of A Life Partner, and I can't wait to see you on the last and 4th video of this 4-part series in A Life Partner. See you on the other video.